So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a broken fence post. This one here rotted through at the base there. As you can probably see, I've had to chop back all of this just to get to it, and as you can see all of the wood's looking pretty tired here. To keep it in this position I've just used some new wood there, screwed it into place in a strap just to hold it, and a post just to stop that from falling over. But we're going to be carrying out a repair rather than a replacement to that. There are other ways that I've repaired fence posts in this garden. So over here, same has happened to these posts, and you probably can see I've buttressed this fence post. So dug a big hole, put some cement in there, and then yeah, it's just using to support that one. This is not actually my fence, so I can't properly repair that one, but by buttressing this it stops it from falling over and over. Here, quite an old repair this one now, so yeah, this one concreted this metal container here, and again been a fairly good repair. Again, it's buttressed here across the back of it. This repairs are probably about 7 or 8 years old, so still holding strong. So in this repair we're going to use a post buddy system to repair that fence post. So out of the packet we've got these two metal straps, and yeah, simply sink this section here down into the soil and then screw that to the post. These are sided, so let's go ahead and see if we can get these popped into place. So these straps need to be located on two sides of the post, and they are capable of being knocked into concrete, and the first thing to do is just use a hammer and tap these down into the soil till we hit this mark here. So before you go ahead and start screwing this into place, you're just going to need to use a spirit level to check that everything is where it should be before you fix this into place, either way. So yeah, that is all in now. I'm going to screw this one on, and then we're going to move around and do one on the inside. Right, so that's all those ones in. So you can see I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. So that's the second one in. As you can probably see, didn't quite get it flush with the post, so I could, in worst case scenario, take that back out again, have another go. What I'm going to do, and I have been doing, is just continue to just tighten these screws, and hopefully it'll sort of put it back into flushness. But as you can probably see there, the fence post is now all stable, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, it's done what it needed to do. Whether this is going to be a permanent thing or whether it's just temporary until we can get some new posts in here, but it does mean that this has been repaired. So if you could like and subscribe the video, it will help me to make more content just like this.